welcome back to another video.
Today we are fixing some slime. So we have some borax water over here.
And we have the slimes over here.
And the borax is holding the phone. KK, you need warm water to mix borax in. It's cold and it didn't mix in.
We'll be back.
And we got warm water in our borax. And it mixed in much better this time.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we starting off?
So, you could start with this one.
Okay,
I'll start
this one.
with this
Oh my gosh.
one.
So look at the bottom. It's all glitter. And then the top.
It's all glitter at the bottom, and at the top is beads. We
Smells
got
good.
both beads. Oh!
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take some spoon.
And then what I do is this. All the strings.
Oh, sorry
Sorry,
guys.
This is sticky, but not that sticky. You know what I mean? Like sticky, but not sticky.
Uh-huh.
But
I already put borax a little bit. Hey, this slime is such a pretty color. Her mom made this slime.
yeah. My mom. She said it was mine, but she made it, and then she forgot it was hers.
So just be like, okay, it's mine now. Okay, this smells pretty good.
You know, I like taking them out and doing it.
I do too, but I just don't like it on my hands. Because then I have to wash my hands, and that's like a waste of slime.
Not today. I'm going to wash my hands.
This is a really warm slime. Hold on.
And no, the color isn't actually like this anymore, Kenzie. It's like a teal. At home. And I'm gonna give you some of the other ones too, because the other one's pretty too. Like a pretty color.
Alright, this is starting to come back to life.
This one is starting to come back to life.
I put some borax in
Do
the
you want
container.
me to give you some of this one, or wait till I get the other ones over here?
I mean, we'll see how that feels.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you can only see half of what I'm doing.
Oh my gosh.
Oh crap.
I didn't get it on the floor.
Good. That would have been bad. Because we have carpet in here.
Mm-hmm. But we're getting carpet taken out.
Oh, that's good. It's like a dried slime part over here. And if there's any noise in the background, excuse us.
And that was not a fart. That was the door.
Yeah.
Well. Okay, I think this is good. Perhaps a little bit sticky.
Yeah, okay. I think this is perfect, you guys.
Darcy here has the TV. Oh yeah, I want some.
Oh my God.
Commercials.
All the time because they show food.
Yeah.
3 hours show. What do you make?
Nothing. We're fixing our slimes.
Why don't you take that table home
Okay, this slime is
then?
perfect.
That's your Jeff back there.
And I think this is perfect. Now we switch slimes.
To see if each other's doings is good. But first, let me get all these foam beads off of the lid. Ugh. See if there's anything on your lid that you need to take off. No. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Now,
Three,
switch.
2, 1.
It almost mixed together there.
Oh yeah.
I like this.
I'm already getting it. Yeah.
I'm probably going to add a little bit of that into this because of my hands.
And
Okay,
then
they
together
can't see.
put it up.
Alright, you put that one up. Sorry guys, put that one up.
And then we'll play with them when we're done and show you guys.
What all the turnout is.
What are you making that? What is
So we got this one. We're both gonna do.
What's on the top? It's
sand. It is
What are you doing with
a
this
kinetic
stuff?
sand slime.
Okay, we're back.
How are we gonna split this up?
Hey, there's more pop
We gotta
in
get
here.
this out so I could.
There's more
so you
pop
could-
It's fine.
stuff in here.
Yeah. Did you
Get some
see
food.
inside of that? Yeah.
It was
We'll
pulp.
just both do it.
It was pulp.
Hey, who's yours from?
Oh, those are mine.
Your speaker too? You want me to unplug that so you can use that plug?
No, we don't
No,
need
we
it.
don't need it.
Okay. What's that back there? Is that any good?
We're gonna do another video today. Start.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna take this out. Can you pull it, the bucket away from me?
Okay, and I'll get the
Can you pour
rest out
some in
of
my
here.
hands?
Pour some in the bucket.
This
so
has
it's out.
kinetic sand in it.
Ooh, yes, this feels nice. I love this slime. All these slimes are hers. The ones that we usually do in our slime review videos are mine.
Yeah.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
made Jesse's light for her. You know that light she wanted?
Yeah.
Joey's got in his room.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what she wanted it for, but I made it. You can't buy one like I made.
I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Okay,
in
I
here.
don't. I think
I think I overacted this part over here.
but it is okay because I can add lotion.
Yeah.
But it's still like good. Like you don't have to stretch it. Stretch.
It's like
Can't
cloud
talk.
slime.
He never could talk. Like
Talk already.
since. Wait, since
Where the
when?
hell did they go?
Sorry for any of the
Like dirty language.
yes.
Lou, stop cussing. Sorry guys. Stop cussing.
Hey guys.
Did it again.
Okay, so here's the slime. We're gonna
That guy's gonna spend 3 days washing his car and it's fixing to rain.
No, that's the airplane.
No.
oh my gosh.
It's not. Oh my god.
He's been working on it for 3 days.
Okay. It's fine. It's the same slime. We didn't switch because it's pretty much it's the same slime, so I can play off all of it.
Oh, get this off too. It's sticky. So it will make it more stretchy.
Oh.
Guys, let me show you this one again.
Okay. Well, I go over
Wait,
here and
scoot
fix
over.
this.
Okay.
Well, are you not using the camera yet?
No.
No, I don't need the camera.
Okay. So, guys.
Whoa! Alright, guys.
Wait.
It came off of here. There was some dried slime, and her name was written on it. That's cool. You need to save that.
I am. It's slime.
It's
but
dried
it says my
slime,
name on
but it's dried slime. It dried on her container, and her name was written on it, and it went off onto that.
it. My name is Michaela, and I know what slime this came from.
Came from that one. That's why I was like, what is that?
I can
Whenever you
still
grab this,
poke it.
really, it's hard though.
Yeah.
This is really
Oh,
good
this
slime.
is so cool. Oh my
Oh
god.
yes. This feels so good. Look at this. Hold on. Well, it looks like cheetah print.
How does it look like a cheetah?
Oh, it kind of does. Okay, can you have slime on your leg? Look at you.
I have this on my leg.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put this up.
I'm gonna. Are you gonna show them the other slime? Or?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, you can. Come. I'm gonna bring.
Okay, go ahead and take that to him.
What are you gonna make? Where are you gonna keep it? What are you gonna do with it? What's it do? I mean, what does it do? I mean, what's the purpose of it?
It's supposed to be satisfying. fine.
Yeah.
Little kids are fun.
He was like this, Kenzie.
Please.
Yes.
Please put him on that.
I can't.
Please.
Guys, you better like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
I'm Michaela.
I'm Mackenzie.
I forgot to say that at the
Me
beginning.
too. Well, if you're new here,
Boss, come here.
if you're new
Come here.
here,
Put him outside.
Oh, he knew. Just the walkway. Come here, Boss. Come here, baby. This is Boss.
hi, my name's Boss.
He loves talking to YouTubers, like YouTube people. He's not.
Oh, I got him by the leash.
All right, walk him over there.
Okay, bye. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
I know you talk.
Good job, Boss. But we already said that. Bye.